Okay, class, today, we are doing a practice round of the spelling bee. If guess the spelling word correctly, you are moving on to the knockout round. However, if you guess the spelling word incorrectly, you having detention for 2 hours. Let's begin. Agnus Scattergood, spell the word, concert.
Concert. C-O-N-C-E-R-T. Concert.
Correct. Awakened Mina, spell the word, flower.
Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower.
Correct. Underdog, spell the word, hero.
Hero. H-E-R-O. Hero.
Correct. Dr. Robotnik, spell the word, pingas.
Pingas. P-I-U-N-G-G-A-S-S-S. Pingas.
Wrong. That's not the right way to spell pingas. The correct spelling word is P-I-N-G-A-S. That's it, go back to your seat right now.
No.
Camp Lazlo, spell the word, forest.
Forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest.
Correct. Rocko the rockhopper penguin, spell the word, rainbow.
Rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow.
Correct. Dark Venus, spell the word, Bowser.
Bowser. B-O-W-S-S-E-E-R-R. Bowser.
Incorrect. That's not the right way to spell Bowser. The correct spelling word is B-O-W-S-E-R. That's it. Go back to your seat, and you will have detention after this. Computer virus from New Looney Tunes, spell the word, error.
Error. E-R-R-O-R. Error.
Correct. PanMan, spell the word, captain.
Captain. C-A-A-P-T-A-A-E-E-N-N. Captain.
Wrong. That is not the right way to spell captain. The correct spelling word is C-A-P-T-A-I-N. That's it, go back to your seat right now. Last but not least, Wolf, spell the word, sunglasses.
Sunglasses. S-U-N-G-L-A-H-S-S-S-E-S. Sunglasses.
That's wrong. That is not the right way to spell sunglasses. The correct spelling word is S-U-N-G-L-A-S-S-E-S. That's it, go back to your seat right now. Well done everyone, you have completed the practice round of the spelling bee. Next week, you are doing a knockout battle to win the spelling bee trophy. And as for you, Dr. Robotnik, Dark Venus, PanMan and Wolf, you four are having detention for 2 hours for failing the spelling bee, starting now.